Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Classes with me. In today's video, we will understand indexes in databases and we will learn three important things. What is indexes, why indexes are important, and also we will analyze using a simple term that is known as explain analyze. I will show you each and everything related to seconds. I mean to say how many seconds it took to do the operation, how many seconds it took for planning each and everything. We will understand the thing with the use of index and also without the use of indexes. And also indexes are fully supported in any of the SQL environment you are using. First thing first, what is indexes? An index is a database object that help the database find data faster. So what are index? Index are database object that helps to find the output faster, right? How it help us to find the output faster, we will see with the use of analyze, right? I will show you how is it done. Explain analyze. Okay, I will show you each and everything in this SQL environment in PostgreSQL. And also in this theoretical part, let me tell you one thing. Without an index, the database must scan the entire table to find data. And this is what we call full table scan. Example, like imagine a book with 500 pages. If a book has no page number, let's take an index number. You must search page by page to find the topic. But if the book has an index page with the details like this chapter start from this chapter start from this page, you can directly go to the correct page. So database indexes work in the same way. They help the database quickly locate rows. So the main purpose of an index is faster data retrieval in the output. Next thing, why are indexes important? Indexes are important because database often store million of rows. So searching large tables without indexes become very slow. And indexes help in situation like searching data using where condition, sorting using order by joining table, filtering large data sets. So if a table have million rows and you search for one employee without index, the database checks the 1 million. It checks 1 million rows. With index, database directly find the row. How? We will see this with the help of this example where we have a small table of 4 column, and how many rows are there? 3, 6, 8 rows, right? Table is small. I kept the table very simple and so that it is easy for you to understand the topic. Suppose we write a query like all the details of each and every one where department is IT. So we IT department. So we'll write select everything from this table where department equal to IT. ठीक है? And when I execute it, this is the thing. ठीक है? Simple as it is. And let's do the analyze part. ठीक है? Let's do it. Let's see. Explain analyze. ठीक है? And let's execute it. This is without index. ठीक है? What we have seen, planning time 0.152, execution 0.039. Let me write it here. Planning time is what was it? 0.152. I don't know it will show that much difference in that because there are only 8 rows, But let's see what's the output. Execution time was around 0 point something 039, ठीक है, ms, ठीक है, like that. This is without indexes, ठीक है. This is what without indexes. Let's see with indexes what we get in the output. With index what we get in the output, we will see the planning time, we will see the execution time, both, ठीक है. Let's create indexes and let's see what do we get in the output. So for creating indexes you just have to write like this: create index. You have to give a index name, whatever index name you want to give you can. Suppose I write index department, ठीक है, like this. After that you have to write on what column, ठीक है, I mean the table and a column as well, both. Employee YT department, let me just see like it is department or DEPT, okay, department, like that. Let's execute it. Index has been created. Right now I will take the same thing, just like this, and let's see, I will just execute the same query, ठीक है. This is the output that we got. We will obviously get the same output. Right now let's see the analysis part. Right now let's write the planning time and all. What's the planning time here is 0.072 ms, and what's the execution 0.033, ठीक है. Let's see the difference. So the difference is clear, even though the table is small, still the difference is clear. Planning time, huge difference. Execution time, not huge, but yeah, difference is there. Not much, not huge difference, but yes, difference is there, right? But still there is a huge difference in planning time. So this is the reason, and this is the output with the analysis part, like with index and without index, how we can find the output easily and in a faster way, right? So that is the thing. And let's summarize the things right now. See, the thing is, it is for the faster output finding, and these things are very much important when you are working in corporate field, or you're working in working for a freelance client, because there the data sets are having like more than million rows, and that's true, more than million rows are there. And time taking is also the main issue if indexes are not used, right? So let us summarize before closing this video. An index is used to speed up the data retrieval or data finding in the output. And without an index, as you have seen, the database scan the full table. With an index, database finds row much faster. You have seen that here in the numbering part. And indexes are fully supported in any of the SQL environment that you are using, widely used in real system, in corporate part, and also during the freelance work. And also let me tell you, if you like this video or if you got some knowledge from this video, please click on the like button. If you have any doubts related to this video, you can join our live stream, and there you can ask your doubts to me directly in the live stream. I will help you out with the doubts with the help of theoretical part, practical part, and with the use of whiteboard. And let me tell you one thing, it is free of cost, no membership required. Free doubt clearing sessions are there in this live stream. Also, if you know someone who is learning SQL on a daily basis, or like learning topic wise SQL on a daily basis, please share this video to them. It will be really helpful for them to understand the topic. Also, I have my mail ID and the comment section are open. You can ask your doubts there as well. So that's all about it. Let's meet tomorrow in a new video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Happy coding, happy learning, and happy querying.